Okay, we just played around with two different styles of blushes, a cream and a powder. But now I don't want to go in public looking like I have two different cheeks on. I want them to look similar. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in for some Juneberry on top of my fair blush bronzer to sort of marry this side of my face. And then I'm gonna go back over here with the fair just because it adds a little shimmer. And then I'm also gonna grab my angled brush, taking the bronzer from the fair blush bronzer, and I'm gonna blend it all out with a little bronzer. And then, of course, setting everything with the mattifying moon dust.